Trent from Total Tools. I'm here with Dan from Makita and he is going to run you through the latest XGT chainsaw and their new tabless battery. So take it away, Dan.
Righto. I want to introduce you to the new UC030 chainsaw, which will be hitting stores very soon. I'm going to run you through a few key features on this saw and differences from our existing models that we've already got. First change that we've made on this one is actually introducing a control panel, which will give you the ability to dial the saw up or down depending on what material you're actually sawing through, which will then increase runtime or if you want more power. We've got the viewing window on the side, your felling mark here on this side of the saw, and also the air intake there, which will also allow the brushless controller inside the motor to stay nice and cool. You've got your lateral chain adjuster here, which you would expect on a real premium saw here, which will give you a nice easy adjustment on the blade there. This saw is going to come in 3 different variants. You'll be able to put a 16, 18 or 20 inch bar on this unit here. You got the big dog chain spikes here to dig into your material. And the other nice adjustment here, as you can see, is we've got a 325050 chain, which is something that you would expect on a really decent petrol saw as well. Powering this unit here is our new BL4080H. This is our new tabless battery that's going to be launching to coincide with the new chainsaw. And what essentially, you talk about tabless batteries, the benefit is runs cooler, outputs more power and more energy, and it will hold itself at that peak for a longer period. When usually you find with normal batteries that we've got at the moment, they'll actually slowly taper off depending when they actually start discharging. So this will actually hold itself at a longer period. And I'm going to show you now when we run it through. This saw here will put out 29 meters per second of chain speed. Comparison, we've put this up against some of the nicest 50cc petrol saws and it more than holds itself. So check it out. We'll do some action shots now.
Okay, Tree, this town ain't big enough for the two of us.
Now that's landing it where you aim it.
All right, I have the current top-of-the-line XGT chainsaw. I've got the new tabless battery in there, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of a down and up cut between this one and the new U-Butte saw. I really like the idea of doing this without having to have earmuffs and I can hear what I'm doing. It's one of the great advantages of a battery chainsaw. All right, let's go.
You want to see what this thing can do with some Aussie hardwood? Check this out.
There you have it, the new Makita UC030G XGT chainsaw. What an absolute perler. I mean, that's been fantastic, especially when mated with their new 8 amp tabless battery. Get into a Total Tools store and check them out for yourself. Anyhow, as always, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you soon.